Abusiafo ya said ye shiapiem ewo AfricMedia so na so na da no ye no munim no de da eya baba mu ensem relationships ene de ekobia ene sabre ebra so said ebestomo na ye be remu no ebusofo na ensem de echinkro yi abroboga ene kwakura boga wo mo divorce so kota divorce adenti a abroaso wo mbia de no emma akokora entutonga ne biem enti akokora se ne bofu ko divorce abrewa na ye hwe say marriage of 48 years and 10 children dissolved because wife said no to septuagenarian husband. Ebi the first story no nchemu ewo e twa yen abasisi ana yakom. Ewuze for say na meka ya ansa na ye twa yen aba no. Court sesi ade atete awari fo mienu entem 72-year-old mechanic Mr. Adedeni ene Nigeria na yes abricot ashe sep wo mu ne wo mu ntemtete obi anfa na akwan na mechanic no a wo no de na asem ne kopie mu court no won tua na yere sike bi na won kopɛ dan foforo entem adenti a case no emu no according to be mei Oluman sana me friend Oluman ne nsem no kira. The last time my wife allowed me to sleep with her was 10 years ago. I am starving seriously, but whenever I come home with my girlfriends, she will chase them away. My wife wanted to kill me. She has been feeding me with poison. There was a day I fainted and was rushed to the hospital, and it was detected that I ate poison. I thought I would not survive it, but God saved me and I stopped eating her food. On 2 occasions, she shot arrows at me in my sleep, which led to sickness, but God healed me. She also buried charm in my workshop and customers stopped patronizing me. My wife made me impotent, but I survived it after spending huge amounts on hospital and herbal treatment. Tolu makes my life miserable. I would have gone far in life if I had not married her. I regret the day I met her and I wish I could turn back the hand of the clock. And no one is a 28-year-old Tolu, I no see trader. You see one bekasa, Alpha and Seminole, and one also didn't there by herself. I stopped him from making love to me 4 years ago when he started bringing different girls home to sleep with, after which he would want to sleep with me. So I refused him. I did not poison my husband's food since 1973 when we got married. It is now that I will poison him. He is just looking for excuses to discard me. He came to this court to divorce his second wife. Now he wants to also divorce me so that he can marry a new wife. And no any just say, "Waba no so ni defense I would etu da anam so ama court no ti womo entem na asem way ehefa ene ka bi wo abras wo mbieja emma Oluman emfaya Oluman so man emfaya so de the girls be abras de the girls be bad dia ene me poison ene be duru sa empepe so na ene minimum dua ekia e be di enwo enkomo kia abrabo ga ne akwakora boga omo ensem ya beto jai wujo wo sen
also then 4 years a pen on farmer no
oba ne say 4 years be man say 10 years 4 years akun to nya easy ntia na ni so 10 years
4 years na a pet. About 4 years, no, we can say 4 years a pet. Anna, on farmer, na 4 years a pet. Na a man, I made a moon send a bemani and a such spiritual things now kind of the spiritual knee, mania, soft mania, it's enemy to me, Cassan and all pointing and super. No more sex, no, as part of the marriage, as part of the relationship. Yes, all Dr. Classica can order any. Nina, I can be in Pomogono, a very necessary. Anyone, I said, don't be any woe. So what I said, although there action, but action or sex and so any money mind them. And my action about and go for the door now at me, Coshan, Niku and Asanaglim. Me and I am Pomograss and nipple to be dear Jumano. I know to be dinner, I can send a Fakawasha. Now, when you've been 70 years, or I say, Brano, no 1 year was
what the 2 officials 72 years.
72 years, no sounds so I could do a command or Hondeno, Bra, original and also Bra, no 1 year. Was it the ruin? You know, I'm in
68.
I read it. Obiti 68. I say like Obiti now 68 years. And maybe 40 years. Or per se like ne Kuno, I don't know who I cannot now commodity in Pomogom, who 68. Now, so when I corner. Brana was a la. I about so probably rather than akwakra den abrabo mu wasa fe dro beku abrewa ama wo mema no se me ka se mane na ye wo expiring date no ho kaka ho ba mema no eba omo hu empem agore de bi omu ginam ohu ahonde ne ewo ho ba wo oba no na man bi wo mu wi afi at that particular age no na I don't know some of the Africans we believe say that particular age no o de won kwasha sex mu ni we ni na be ma why weekend be ma why be ma be how ni na sa de na gba ko doctor na won di won komo na hwem those are the age you even need it more because sex no psychologically men can that down psychologically mentally sex is very healthy for you at that particular age because it gives you some level of fulfillment say at least you are wanted, you are loved, you are needed go for do na do that particular age na I say okwa mo dem a obema ni obema oba no fi so obema kwa want okoye wo ohono just because obana that particular but obi wo ha onya side no this is the time you need to give it all out na so wo hwe na say bia na impema go na kwa ya raw at that particular time na and go through a different channel na fa ye we hwe me start so ya na me dem na wa to me start you say like me twa nyama bi pepper prekese cloves and sanyemo wotimi esoki so what ya say na wanom ma esa akono no ye de so your ba na se boost libido boost ya de na ye adwuma papa yem aha wo yen susu a wono mu fi na de bi so ye de horo na je say ayeta te bi na wo ye say ho ago wa wo manyi na ewie so ho ago nte be ma ni wura ho nte hwe ase be ma ne nkwa na no ba sa sa de ne me cho me fa ya manfo edu e bi ne ho nyama e bi wipes ne sanyema ne nkwa ye ho na umenya candidate wo wadu wanyi uhia sa de no na mum go through the natural ways na ma ho nya tight and owura ho no ho chesa na onso be fele na obejinem. Sex is part of the relationship. And then I am better man for sex is part of the relationship. It's a healthy thing for everyone. Into a year our real more won't put the yes a relationship or more so sex is very needed. And anya a boy kasa mentally no. What's it and and doctor for me more the number of sex that we should have perhaps in a week or say in a month. But me a boy normal say in a month have this number of what my cry baby. No, my cry because so what I say, and anya ma wo this kind of fit say it makes you look young. Me I'm not going to be hypocrite here. Mo say mo have sex with na mo sorry or the other chia or the one day you say to me by now I do sa na mo wada into what I never no sorry no it's a different level, it's a different fellowship one. I say you are glowing, you are looking differently. So what I say, seriously. So who you be am I pimples ness anyama wo nim to say me na o de we no ja fan so no ma fan no ayati o sorry we na hwe ho e wa hwehema. It's a different thing altogether. You look differently, you feel this confident and you feel this fulfilled. In fact pimpo na be ye wadwuma pa. There is this different kind of energy on this aura, different aura around you. It's me mouth me there. It's me the boost differently. It's me can say sex is not here to damage us. It is here to help us. It all depends on one, how you handle it. Ebo hano mo abuse no. Obo an to kro bi otimi wremu bi dua bia otimi de she hobby. Eno na hard say what I say. But anya sa de na say e bia ube go through the usual way, the expected way na and the be bo apa ye. O hwe na sa raw way no so embo wona say ho ache na e ko na embo a try amount for play no mo ye no romance before sex no try them ice me dey am check
abro pa na utu for sana abro 68.
Oh yes, but that is the time mo say sex no make say ma sex no mema no physical to them. So what I say, men are physical to them, but a man, it is not like that for them. A man, they started from the mind. So what I say, into what man, so no about never honor say about no quite be a new day, mamma, about no ha. I say, oh, Ben, or Ben, it's as if the woman is not prepared mentally. So what I say, ain't prepared the way I went to me for phone was at prepared them or chair a yen office or cry, shall I no match will hold. No match, and I guess all kind of you walk kind of you are. So what I say, it's your son, I can't, you know, never mind more prepared or bar. Patrol, amount for uto free I didn't them ye ice cubes and found to Muka. And found to Muka and drinks and quantity the two want to be the Yanyama. Oh, sister Jay, ice cubes about what? And then cheat or down him say, oh, I say, oh, bit me that now was another man. I want you good no so no no setting me and for me no I put never not just oh yeah and how crowd no what any part that no attend and that was sending but oh yeah ice cubes now the tuneti then now yes and once now they about for done no home one day and the bush and I say and to be room crowd the room said to know oh you boom come on no as you never our sex life there was same all I'm saying is sex starts from the mind. If you are having sex with your partner, especially the ladies, now Oshana say like she's not giving it to you. What when you put what you have to do is remember that sex starts from the mind. So start playing with the woman's mind, and then by the time by the time I want to be ready, no, now she's already ready for you. And that's I know on channel about. And if you number 10 minutes, we no by then time you know what by 3 not still about to be by then so what you say
I say na ebusa for abura ni akora enya na be ka bi maya afuna be kire sex so no ara ebusa for yet to aso na say make am say wait me share video way on all the social media platforms na ebiem so more than subscribe say na dey I will share AfricMedia ye channel ye so na ntse won pa bebre Edmond people more than subscribe me di edna na ama uzam ni ekria broni a osa je edin foforo ye I do make factory bako so na say woni ni di ehia bibia with my friend said no me ne edin komo na me ya aduma be say di ehia bi makra mo nya